In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the phone number on Google Business Profile. If you need to update your business contact number so customers can reach the right line, this process is simple and only takes a few minutes. I'll walk you through it clearly using a web browser so you can make the change without confusion. First, sign in to the Google account that is connected to your Google Business Profile. This is important because only the account with access to the profile will be able to make edits. If you manage more than one Google account, make sure you're logged into the correct one before continuing. Once you're signed in, open Google Business Profile Manager or search for your business on Google while logged into that same account. From there, choose the business location you want to edit. This step matters especially if you manage multiple locations, because you want to be sure you're updating the correct profile and not changing the number for a different branch or business listing. After selecting the right business location, look for the option to edit your profile. In the left-hand menu, click Edit Profile, and then go to the Contact section. This is where your business contact details are stored, including the phone number that customers see when they find your business on Google Search or Maps. Now find your current phone number and click the pencil icon next to it. This opens the field so you can make changes. Carefully type in the new phone number you want to use. As you enter it, double check that every digit is correct. It's a good idea to make sure the number is active and able to receive customer calls before saving, since this is one of the main ways people may contact your business. When everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, Google may update the information right away, or in some cases the change may take a little time to appear publicly. That delay is normal, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly on your listing. And that's it. Your Google Business Profile phone number has been updated. If you're making this change as part of a larger business update, it's also a good habit to review the rest of your contact information to make sure everything is accurate and consistent. Keeping your profile current helps customers contact you b'sahoola and improves trust in your business listing. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your Google Business Profile quickly and correctly.